The two inclined tracks fixed on the wire net are identical except for their vertical position. The two tracks must be on the same vertical plane. If a ball released from the upper track can fall on the lower track, the two tracks are vertically aligned. Place a metal ball at the same position of each track and release them at the same time. Observe the motion of the balls. Do the balls collide with each other? This time, release the balls at a higher position. Do the balls collide this time? We can also change the vertical position of the upper track and repeat the steps. Do the balls collide in this case? What do the results tell us about the horizontal distances that the balls travel?